Hello YouTube, I'm Peter and welcome back to my kitchen. It's been a wee while since I've seen you, but we're back with another really super quick recipe. This one, it's a really easy caramel sauce. It's so simple, but it's a great thing to know how to make. I'm in a bit of a rush now, so we're gonna get cracking straight away. To start this off, all that you're gonna need is some sugar and water. Get that together in a pan and stir it up on a really high heat. Once you've seen that all the sugar granules have dissolved and it's not grainy at the bottom of the pan, just let it go. You're going to want to leave this sugar for the rest of the time now. Don't mix it, don't stir it, just let it go and get nice and caramelly. It's going to start to bubble, boil up, and that's what you need. That's absolutely fantastic. The sugar is going to turn down in volume. It's going to get a bit slower, it's not going to be boiling as much, and it'll get really quiet. This is the point that you really need to focus on the sugar. It's going to turn a really deep, dark golden brown. You can give the pan a wee swirl to make sure it's colouring evenly. And then once you see it's turned a nice, deep golden brown, not burnt, but not too light either, take that off the heat and straight away add in your butter. When your butter's gone in, you want to mix this around, make sure it's all combining nice and evenly, get it back onto the heat and stir it until all the butter is melted. The butter is something that you can use to change up what style of sauce you have. If you want it to be quite runny and loose, then don't add in quite as much butter. If you want it to be a firmer sauce, add in more butter and then it'll set harder in the fridge as the butter solidifies again. Once the butter has completely melted into your caramel, then you're just going to pour in that cream nice and slowly, stirring all the time, so that everything's nice and homogeneous, all mixed in well and looking lovely and smooth. But make sure you do not touch this at any stage. It is boiling hot at all points. You're going to want to let this cool a wee bit and then you can transfer it into any container you like. Add in some sea salt if you want, everyone loves it. Leave this in the fridge, it'll firm up a wee bit more. Leave it at room temperature, pour it onto ice cream, serve it hot, cold, whatever you want. Just make sure to enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've enjoyed this, make sure you give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Once again, a huge thank you for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon. Bye.